Video 615, Easyhot J14, Purehue P04. Okay, so let's get into it. So what we're going to do here in the Purehue function section is convert the other way around. Previously, we had written hue to RGB. We want to go in the other direction. So I got this little helper function I'm working on, and here, down here is our RGB to hue function. Takes the input RGB, we do some error checking here, and we extract the RGB components from our RGB triplet data cluster object thingy, and we haven't finished this yet. So here's our output hue color, and we have this thing called maxibin, which is going to take the RGB components and convert it to a binary value representing which of these three color channels is the greatest. And then right here, we haven't finished this, so we're throwing an error. So let's go look upwards at this function. So scrolling up here, here's RGB to maxibin. So it takes the data cluster as loose components rather than an object. We're going to error check just to make sure that the data cluster is in the correct bounds, that it is a proper byte. And we're going to do basically a very simple rudimentary min function. So this is the max color channel byte value here, and this is the binary representation of whatever value is the max. So max chan was initialized to negative, so the red is definitely going to be greater. So we're going to set max chan to red, the red byte value, and the binary representation is 1, 0, 0 in binary, which is this hex 4. Okay, so now we're going to see if the green is greater than max chan, and if it is, we're going to do this. We're going to set max chan to green, and the binary representation of that is a hex 2, which is a binary value with the 1 bit in the middle, right, for the green channel being the greatest. And then if the blue channel is greater than max chan, then the max channel value is the blue byte, and the binary value for the blue byte being highest is the 1-bit set right here, the bit all the way to the left. So we're talking about 3-bit binary here. So we're going to spit out that 3-bit binary value right here, representing the max color channel of the 3 color channels. So here's kind of our footnotes and stuff, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on the advanced playlist here. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO.